Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking pork liver steak. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have garlic, spring onions, black pepper, salt, calamansi juice or lemon juice, soy sauce, and we're gonna use 7-Up. We have here our sliced or steak pork liver, which we are going to marinate with its ingredients. We're gonna marinate this for 1 hour, and we're gonna continue the process. So let's get started. First thing we have to do is we're gonna put our garlic. All right. Okay. And then our spring onions. Okay. The soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay. And our calamansi juice or lemon juice. Dust of salt. Our pepper, ground pepper. All right. And we're gonna add our 7-Up, like 3 spoons or 7-Up. Then we're gonna mix this, and for 1 hour. Okay, we'll mix this, all the ingredients with the pork liver. Mix it real good. Okay. And then we're gonna leave this in the refrigerator for 1 hour. So we're gonna give time for the liver to absorb the ingredients. Now we put olive oil on our hot pan here, and we're gonna fry our liver. Okay, let's put our liver. All right. We're gonna fry both sides, and this will probably take 4 minutes on each side, and should be done. Now we're done with our liver. We're gonna cook the onions. All right, and gonna put our spring onion. All right, so we're gonna cook this for a minute. There we go. And we will put the marinade here. the one that we use for the liver. Okay, there we go. We'll cook this for a minute, and we're gonna mix this with our liver. Our onions are done. We're gonna set this with in our serving dish, and we'll be right back. Here's our finished product: pork liver steak. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see future cooking videos. Thanks for watching and have a good day.